situation in the Strait of Hormuz has sharply escalated. Reports are coming in of attacks by Iranian forces on American warships, specifically U.S. destroyers. Details are emerging from the region, and President Donald Trump has already issued a statement following the reports of strikes. In this episode, we analyze what the head of the White House said and how the situation is developing. This is breaking news on a new spiral of escalation in the Middle East. According to the Tasnim agency, Iran launched a strike against 3 American destroyers in the Strait of Hormuz using unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and missile weaponry. The incident occurred in the strategically vital strait, through which a significant portion of the world's oil supply passes. The attack was complex and coordinated, involving both drones and missiles. Iranian reports claimed the ship sustained varying degrees of damage and subsequently began moving toward the Gulf of Oman. Ibrahim Jabbari, a representative of Iran's Khatam al-Anbiya military command, stated that this was a response to a ceasefire violation by the United States. Following the attack, General Ebrahim Jabbari, an advisor to the commander-in-chief of the IRGC, issued a sharp statement directed at President Trump. Jabbari claimed that Iran possesses reserve missile systems and weaponry that have not yet been publicly demonstrated. He warned that Iran's military potential is far wider than what has been shown. He emphasized that Iran is ready for a prolonged confrontation in a war of attrition, suggesting that in the event of full-scale escalation, strikes could be delivered from the very first stage of the conflict. President Trump commented on the attack via a public post. He contradicted the Iranian reports, stating that the American destroyers received no damage at all. Trump claimed the missiles were easily shot down, and the drones were burned right in the air. He described the scene poetically, saying the drones fell into the ocean like a butterfly falling into its grave. Trump threatened Iran with further attacks if Tehran does not sign a deal. He stated, "A normal country would let these destroyers pass. But Iran is not a normal country. They are led by madmen." He added that if they had nuclear weapons, they would use them without hesitation, but vowed they would never get that chance. Trump has set a harsh deadline. Tehran has 1 week to sign an agreement. This ultimatum is seen as a move to maximize diplomatic and political pressure. The response from Iranian leadership was swift. IRGC General Ebrahim criticized Washington's stance, calling the idea that Iran would give up its rights under pressure empty fantasies. He concluded by stating that the very concept of surrender is completely absent from Iran's political and historical consciousness.